Transform your Canon Eos to 5D into a powerful live streaming machine and elevate your content quality. First, for uninterrupted streams, you'll need continuous power. Replace your camera's standard battery with a DC coupler, also known as a dummy battery, connected to an AC power adapter. Next, connect your camera to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure it's a data transfer cable, not just a charging one, for a stable connection. Once connected, open the Canon Eos utility software on your computer. This crucial application allows your computer to recognize and control your camera remotely. On your camera, navigate to the menu settings. Set your movie recording size to 1920 by 1080 for optimal full HD live streaming quality. Now, open your preferred live streaming software, such as OBS Studio and New Source, and select Video Capture Device from the options. From the Device drop-down menu, choose your Canon Eos utility or the recognized camera input. This will display your camera's live feed directly in your streaming software. With your camera's feed now integrated, fine-tune your lighting and audio for a professional broadcast. Remember, good lighting makes a huge difference. And there you have it. You're now ready to elevate your live content with the superior video quality of your Canon Eos to 5D. Happy streaming!